Okay, Kira.
It's okay. Don't be quiet because then I feel like I'm on like, I don't know, it just feels extra weird.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mom, get used to it.
Welcome back to Trailer on the Prairie. Actually, just welcome because it's been a hot minute since I've posted anything. On today's plan, of all the things that I wanted to get done this summer, we are going to be tackling the pantry. It is a hot mess in there. Okay, we got Instant Pot, air fryer, bags of chips, popcorn, Lord knows what else. Probably have some expired things. All these sauces and baking ingredients, canned goods, other things, plastic bags, expired tea that probably needs to go. Just, it is been a jumbled mess for far too long. And so that today's plan is to get this all organized. Okay, to start from the bottom up or up down. I think I'm gonna start pulling out the coolers. And yes, we need like 50 coolers. That's a lie, we don't have 50 coolers. We have 4 small ones, but right now, Chris, my husband, is working for a local farmer, so when it comes to harvest time, I send him with a cooler and has our name on it, so it's fine. Okay, I have little baskets. Where did those go? Okay, I got these little baskets. I've actually had them for a while. We got them from Crazy Bins, which is like all the Amazon returns. So I think I got like 10 of them. Some were broken for like $1 or something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna put all of my spices in here, because that will be more helpful than just shoving them in this little drawer. Okay, floor is sort of cleaned out. I'm moving all this stuff right away, and then we'll tackle the next shelf. Okay, here I thought I had enough room on the island for all this stuff, and I don't. Okay, I know I can probably get rid of all this tea, because this came from my work, because one of the former principals was obsessed with David's tea. So, we're just gonna garbage that. How old is that? Ha! 21. 4-year-old pumpkin pie. It's gone. This is one of my favorite chicken stocks. Like, I'll add it to other things, and like add it to rice. Even when I make like a fake bacon carbonara. This. December of, I'm just not going to keep that. I don't typically ever like throwing out food but sometimes it just sits for too long and you have good intentions and it just doesn't happen. So that's the way it goes. It's getting chucked. Oh, how old is it? Okay, getting there. I'm going to tilt you up a little bit higher again. So I am 6'1", so I can easily reach this shelf, which is, I don't know, it's like right at 6 feet, so I can easily reach all that. With all these bags of chips, we can make chip salad. It's like that Minnesota mom that makes Midwestern salads and aren't really salads. She's funny. I quite enjoy her. You know, maybe a pantry makeover, like a real one, is almost taking time to call for that. Is in order. That's the word I was looking for. However, that is not happening today. And that is okay. Okay, it's already feeling a lot better. I'm just gonna slip you around here. Okay. So that is actually completely empty. I got all my parchment paper, tin foil, saran wrap, cling wrap, whatever, plastic wrap, garbage bags, rice, quinoa, cornmeal, flour. Oh. Okay, maybe I want to put this stuff. Oh, let me back you up a bit. This baking stuff over here, because that's kind of my ingredients. I have more ingredients here. Popcorn is going to... Oh, as I drop you. Ah, oops. Popcorn is going to come up here. This is kind of our snacks. Appliances. So I have my appliances up here because if I put them down in the corner cupboard beside the stove, I don't ever reach for them. And because these are kind of more easy access for me, I am more likely to use them. So if they're kind of in my line of sight, I'm going to use them. It's kind of like that old out of sight, out of mind. But I might also kind of put a shelf in here. This is the kitchen island project. So if I put a little shelf in here, that would also help with some more storage. So ideas, anyways. Okay, the marshmallows, there's like 3.5 left. One's looking a little mushy and sad. That can go up in the other baking cupboard. Okay. And then we have some hamburger helper, coconut oil, syrup, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, chicken stock, some barbecue sauces, sushi rice seasoning. Oh, that's not like just that seasoning? I thought it was... Oh, it is seasoning. I thought this was just like rice vinegar. Huh. Well then. Okay. Sesame oil, soy sauce, crackers, soup mix. That's also going to go with the other spices. More crackers because heaven forbid we are without crackers in this house. Same with ketchup, which we're also out of ketchup. Duly noted. Okay. We are making headway. Feeling good. But maybe we'll make a little stand-up potato bin. That'd be kind of fun. Yeah.
I remember Arrow was in here.
He was? Oh.
I remember.
You do, huh? Starting from scratch. Kind of, sort of. You're so funny. What are you doing? Okay. That'd be kind of cute there.
Where?
Mama's apron. To get a nail. Or a hooky. I have hooks. Let's do that instead. All right, I had an idea for hanging up some... I want to put a little hook. I have... Okay, one second. Let me get it organized here. Okay, I have these little cast iron hooks. I ordered this off Amazon a little while ago. Came in like a pack of 20, I think. So I've been doing like little crafty things. But I'm going to take one of these and put it here in the pantry for like aprons and whatnot. I think that would look really cute. Just a little something extra. Thank you, honey. Here. Ha! You missed. Okay. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's my extra hole. There's my little hook. And here. I think that adds just a touch little character.
The cookie to hang?
No, not a cookie. That will not work. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, so now the creative brain is flowing. And I think I want to do like, I think it's kind of getting popular when you have those little risers on your kitchen. But what if I do a bigger one for the pantry and make it like a box to hold all the potatoes, like a tall bin. Not today. That's like maybe in a couple weeks from now project. But I like it. Feeling way better with the pantry. Like items are with like items. I have some items that don't really have enough of them to have their own space, so I just kind of threw them in a basket to make it work. I have a little bit more like potatoes and onions, our bag of bags, cat food that needs to go away. Yeah, it's feeling way better than when I started. So now I can actually go in here, see what we have, see what I can make, use up the ingredients we have for other things. I won't be doing any kind of big pantry restock shopping trip, like a big one, until the end of August. I'm going to do a big Costco run and probably a thrift haul as well, to kind of get those back to school supplies and all that. So that's going to be a pricey one. Anyways, if that's something you're interested in, please like and subscribe and follow along for future. Oh my gosh, I just completely drew a blank. Okay, maybe it's time for a break because my brain is just completely derailed. Yeah, time for a break. Now I'm kind of snowballing with, you okay? Yeah. With more projects now. Like I want to do those little risers. I want to build a potato bin, just kind of get stuff off the floor, but I still have it be cute. Yeah. So ideas are rolling, and not that I need more projects, but let's do it because that's how my brain works. Okay, so first I'm going to take, I think this is what, 220, and sand the outside of this little bin. I'm actually going to go do that outside so we don't get all this dust and residue coming off in the house. So BRB. Okay, I got that sanded. So now I'm just going to give this a quick little wipe with a damp cloth. Okay, and I will be using Fusion Mineral Paint, Prairie Sunset. It is just a bright, happy yellow. It's a warm yellow. I really like it. I painted a little footstool this color, and yeah. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, I did. Perfect. Okay. Got that. I'm just using a basic Walmart brush. It's not the best because it leaves, ooh, I love it. The brush leaves a lot of bristles, but that is okay. I just love this yellow. It just makes me happy. The floor is spotless. That will be for school snacks. We got pasta, miscellaneous, plastic wrap, garbage bags, parchment paper, rice, quinoa. I think I already did this. Cornmeal, flour, honey, oils, vinegars, canned goods, spices, crackers, some seasonings, more ingredients, Got our snack shelf, coffee, salt, my gigantic stock pot, and appliances. But now the kitchen. The kitchen looks like this. And that is okay because progress over perfection. Well, that is it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you on the next one.